Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I'm going to leave a link for it down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to try and leave individual links to the materials I get in this box in case you just want a few things but not everything in the box. But keep in mind that sometimes some of the things in here are exclusive to the box and you can really only get them in the box. But I will try my best to link some things down below, okay? So let's go ahead, open this up. And in case you didn't know, I'm doing this video late because I've been in the hospital and I have been through a lot, and I did a video on that. You'll see the video if you go to my YouTube channel. In case you missed it, you will see it there, okay? But for now, let's forget about all the hospital things and have some fun. Let's open up an awesome box. Alrighty, so there's a secret password on here. I'm not allowed to share it, in case you didn't know. Wow, this is going to be awesome. A triple strand necklace, nautical themed with anchors, nautilus beads. Looks like it's going to be really cool. Okay, let's get to it. Forgive me, because I might not open all the bags because I don't feel very well. Okay, so I might just show you what's, in the bag, not open it. So this here, I could tell, is like a 1.5 or 2 millimeter waxed cotton cord in the blue. And we have seed beads. Dark blue. Oh man, I'm thinking they're Tenno seed beads. I need to do my nails so bad. I can't believe they're still holding on. It's like unbelievable. More seed beads. This is transparent blue. Again, I think it's Tenno. They're very pretty. And excuse me, tiger tail, that's what it's called. Okay, and then we have jump rings. I didn't get my little scooper thing again. Anchors. Yes, we got these recently in gold, right? What did I do with them? I used it in the necklace? I'm trying to remember. Yes, it's over there on my necklace bust. I'll put a picture up of the necklace I did with those anchors. Okay, and then we have oval jump rings, which are the best because they don't open up as easily. And we have some beautiful beads here. Okay. I don't actually know what these are called, but they're kind of like the Kiwi beads, but they're square. They actually remind me of like fancy pool tiles or like concrete bricks, the fancy ones. They are red Picasso with blue wash. They're beautiful. They're not table cut though. Usually I see this bead, it's table cut, but that one is not. It looks like we're going to have a lot of really fancy beads. We have 2 teardrops, top hole, not side, or it is side on the top, not center hole. That's what I mean. And I don't think I'll worry about opening those because they're a bead that we do see very often. And holy moly, there are crimp beads. There is red Picasso teardrops. There's jump rings there. I guess I will open these for you. They're smaller than these. These might be 5 by 7 millimeter size. Yeah, they're beautiful. I've used them several times, but I would have to go get pictures to show you guys, and I just don't feel like it. I don't feel like doing all that work. We have 8 millimeter Czech red Picasso Melon beads. I bought these on their site a couple of years ago, but I don't know which one I got, because I do know they come with like silver on them. They're really amazing. I think the red Picasso is prettier than the turquoise, and I love turquoise. And then we have, holy moly, 8 millimeter, I think, Czech Druks in Labrador full coat. That's a lot. I actually wonder if they're bigger than 8. It'll tell me on the site. But they're beautiful. And then we have matte 4 millimeter Czech fire polish beads. I'm looking forward to doing this project. Get my mind off of the craziness. Those are beautiful. I love the opaque reds and the Czech glass. I think they're nice. And then we have matte blue. Wow, I've never seen this one. I wonder if this is coated, or is it actually like, is this the color of the glass? I've never seen it. Putting up to the light, I think it's solid. I mean, if I go on the site, it'll probably tell me. It could tell me something different. But those are fabulous. Love those. Okay, and then Nautilus. No, wait. Ammonite? Ammonite. I think. There's a round bead, they call it a Nautilus, 18 millimeters. But I think they call this one the Ammonite. Oh, that's really pretty. Look how thick it is. Super chunky. It's like 1/4 of an inch. And it's not just opaque red. There's actually some stripes in there. See the little brown stripe? That's really beautiful. Wouldn't this be cool in the sterling silver ring set into a ring? That would be so cool. It looks like coral. Alrighty, and then, oh, your little shell bead. I think I got this before in the Czech Beads exclusive box. I want to say I used it in a necklace. It's really cute. It's solid metal. It's not hollow. It's heavy. And then we have 3 millimeter round drugs. I think it's Labrador full. The aluminum silver one is really matte, so that's how I could tell the difference. Labrador's shine to it, sheen. Little guys. Cute. Okay, what is this? What is this? Oh my gosh. It's a lentil. It's acid washed Picasso. Never seen that before. Yeah, it is. It looks like acid wash red Picasso, which to me kind of looks like a algae covered rock that I found in the river. That's what it looks like. It does look like a little pebble stone. This is Starfish. I like Starfish. I love seahorses more though. Oh, he's a nice one. He's got it going on. He is double-sided. They actually did both sides. Because that's what he looks like in real life on the back. You know they have these little, like legs, little teeny tiny feelers, and they carry the food to their mouth. I've seen them do it in an aquarium. It's cool. And then cord crimp ends. And it's the flat one, so maybe they're going to do multiple, or will there be a flat cord in here? Like they could do multiples of these in here. Ball head pins. Extender chain. Are we going to run out of room? Anchor beads. And they're not table cut. I don't think they're in blue. I've not seen this color before. Those are cute. Very pretty. And I feel like 5 is a lot. So there's gonna be a lot going on. Oh my gosh! There's a fishy! A little fishy charm. It's so cute. It's really cute. He is one-sided though, unless he's been filleted. He could have been filleted. Now I want to eat fish. 2 lobster claw class. Is this ever going to end? Pinch beads in a transparent blue. What's next? Teardrops, half Labrador. So it's a clear with silver on half of the bead. These are actually clear too. I mean, they should be. I've been seeing Chinese beads, and y'all, if you saw my last bead haul that I got from Akari, the 14 pounds for $15, I got Chinese crystal beads that were silver, but they weren't all clear. Some of them were green, red, and blue on the inside. It was weird. Okay, and then, oh my, this is cool. I don't know what this bead is called. It kind of looks like an oyster. That's what makes me go. It's cute. Yeah, it looks like an oyster to me. And then, what is this? A tabular bead? See, I've gotten this shape several times and I call it tabular. I really don't know what that word means. Is that the name of the shape? It's a beautiful ruby red. I wonder if that will be the focal bead or something. Because it's, oh, it might be in the dangly bits. Okay, I gotta make room. Oh, these are English cut beads. 2 of them. They look like they're 5mm. Are we still going? Oh my, teeny tiny. These are the tiny teardrops, red Picasso. Same as these, but these have silver on them, so silver specks. Can you see it? They're beautiful. Okay, and then we're still going. This might be the most bags in one BohemStyle box, because it's running my box off of the side there. These are squarelets. So like a lentil, but there's a hole on the side, and again it is red Picasso. So I'm trying to speed this video up because I'm going to have a ton of editing to do and I don't feel very well. And oh my gosh, that is a gorgeous bead. I've seen this a couple of times already. I think in yellow with silver. Look at the lattice pattern on there. It is gorgeous. Beautiful. And one more baggie. Giant jump rings. Maybe 12mm. There's 3 of them. This might be the most bags I've got in one box. That's a lot. I think it's going to take a while to put this project together. So this is it. I am going to link the BohemStyle monthly subscription. Oh, let's look at the picture again. Alright, so here's the picture. And I don't see that long red bead. Oh, it might be in a bracelet. Is there going to be a bracelet? There's 2 lobsters, right? But this could have... There's so much in this necklace, it might be 2 necklaces. Maybe. I don't know. But, I can't wait to put it together. It'd be nice to do something fun. So, this is it. I'm going to link the BohemStyle monthly subscription box down there below in the description bar. I'm going to try and find the individual items here, but sometimes I can't find them. They're not available. So, this is it. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.